Good afternoon to everyone present here. It's really an honor in introducing our speaker, Dr. Ramani Swarna, Assistant Professor, Department of Philosophy, Kamala Nehru College, Delhi University, Delhi. Dr. Ramani did her BA in Philosophy in Delhi University, B.Ed English and Social Studies in MDU, LLB from CCS University, MA Philosophy in Delhi University, MA English in Himalayan University, PGDCA MDU, MPhil Philosophy in Delhi University, Doctorate in Management from University of Rajasthan and IMT Ghaziabad, PG in IPR ISIL, Advanced Diploma in Software Engineering from IBM Noida, Diploma in Early Childhood from NAAM, and Diploma in School Management Administration from IGNOU, and Postgraduate Diploma in Journalism and Mass Communication from IGNOU. Her teaching experience: temporary lecturer in Indraprastha College for Women, Delhi University, Daulat Ram College for Women, Delhi University, Shyama Prasad College for Women, Delhi University, Lakshmi Bai College for Women, Delhi University. Tutor, marker and instructor in a joint venture for Aptech Institute and Open University of British Columbia, Canada. Faculty for Foundation for Humanities in BCA program in Aptech Institute. Faculty, Department of MDA, Department of Applied Sciences, Delhi Technical Campus. Faculty in Delhi Metropolitan Education, Noida for the Department of BJMC. Her organizational experience: Genpact PPO, Tirupati World Link, One Touch Solutions, Triton Corporation Limited, Cubes Net Services, Ojas Medicare and Country Club. Some of her skill sets: Internet Programming, MS Office, Java, JavaScript, Interpersonal Communications, Management Skills, Ownership Skills, Learning Skills, and Multitasking Skills. She has attended over 61 national and international conferences, 61 trainings and workshops, 6 literary and film festivals, and 13 faculty development programs. She has conducted over 34 events in the campus. Her publications: she has 65 online publications, 28 publications in journals, 50 research writings, 20 research works, 15 series books, 42 short stories written for Times of India, and 2 blogs. Her awards and recognition: Rashtriya Mahila Suraksha Manch awarded and recognized, Adi Shakti recognition, All Ladies League recognition and award, Super Dynamic Lady by UNESCO and Family Peace Foundation, Vice President Western Uttar Pradesh region for Rashtriya Mahila Suraksha Manch, and General Secretary in All India Press and Media. Some initiatives taken by her: Stop Child Abuse, We Are Proud of Our Children, sponsored by Beti Bachao, International Women's Security Forum, sponsored by RMSM. Membership in important associations: IMA Delhi, Ghaziabad Management Association, Noida Management Association, Delhi Management Association, Indian Society of International Law, Indo-Turkish Chambers of Commerce and Industries, Federation of Higher Studies UNESCO, India International Centre Delhi, National Commission for Human Rights Delhi, and Worldwide Fund for Nature Delhi, and the list goes on. Some of her other responsibilities: Convener for the Greater Noida region for Speak Mackay, Convener for the Noida region for Speak Mackay, Convener for Yamuna Expressway region for Speak Mackay, course designer for the free 1-year Speak Mackay course, and founder member of Nane Kadam. On behalf of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, we thank her for gracing with her presence and wish her good luck for her future endeavors. Thank you.